In a perplexing revelation, recent studies of 62-million-year-old lava flows on Baffin Island, located in Canada's Arctic archipelago, have unearthed an anomaly that has left the scientific community baffled. The scientists discovered mysterious elements in ancient lava, which led to the conclusion that the core of the Earth is leaking. A study was carried out on a 62-million-year-old lava which flows on Baffin Island in Canada's Arctic archipelago. In the study, it was found that the lava contains unusually high levels of helium-3, which is a rare isotope and is related to the core of our planet. The findings of the study were published in the journal Nature on Wednesday, and since then, the discovery led to massive debates among experts and fellow researchers. This groundbreaking research endeavor was jointly undertaken by geochemists from the prestigious Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution and the esteemed California Institute of Technology. Their findings, which have been published in the scientific journal Nature, have challenged preconceived notions about the Earth's core. What is the significance of helium-3? Helium-3, a notably scarce element, is the crux of this revelation. Typically, this isotope, once it reaches the Earth's surface, is swiftly released into the atmosphere and often escapes into space. Hence, the presence of helium-3 on the surface hints at a profound and unanticipated occurrence. Material may be seeping from the Earth's core. If the helium-3 has flown from the Earth's core, then the other material around it should also be present to give physical examples of core material. The findings which have surfaced recently could challenge the initial theories about the Earth's core, which was believed to be sealed away. If it is proved that the Earth's core is indeed leaking, it will pave a way for scientists to study the core material of the Earth, which has never happened before. This primordial helium-3 is likely to contain secrets about how our planet was formed, which cannot be known in any other way.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.